LG's washing machines clean well, and are efficient and quiet. Learning how to use your appliance correctly helps it deliver ideal results. First, it's important that you're familiar with the parts of your washing machine. At the top left is the detergent drawer. This is where you should add laundry detergent and optional fabric softener. The detergent drawer has 3 chambers. Detergent for the main wash goes into the largest chamber, which is flushed in all cycles except rinse or spin only cycles. Follow the detergent manufacturer's directions for dosage. Use only low-foam detergent that is approved for use in front-load washing machines. The next largest chamber holds pre-wash detergent. Do not fill this chamber unless you have selected the pre-wash option, because this chamber otherwise supplies clean water for rinsing. The blue chamber is a siphon for optional fabric softener. It fills with water and empties itself before the start of the final rinse. Do not fill the siphon past the maximum fill line, or the siphon could empty itself. At the left of the control panel are the power and start buttons, and the cycle selector. Pushing the power button activates the control panel. Turn the cycle selector dial to select the appropriate cycle for your load. A description of each cycle is available in your owner's manual and is specific to each model. At the right of the control panel is a large touchpad. The icons at the top indicate progress of the cycle, from load sensing to washing, rinsing and spinning. The 7-segment LCD display shows an estimate of the time remaining until the cycle ends. Although each cycle has default settings, you can change wash temperature and spin speed to suit wash care labels in your load. The last row of buttons has a number of options. Options in a larger font can be selected or deselected by touching them once, and options with an asterisk by touching the button for 3 seconds. The intensive option extends the main wash program, the time save option shortens it. An extra rinse can help remove detergent residue. The time delay lets you select when a cycle ends long before it starts, so you can better use lower utility rates, or schedule the start of a cycle when you're away. The pre-wash option adds a short extra wash before the main wash program, so you can treat stains or soiling. This option flushes the pre-wash chamber of the detergent drawer. The tub clean cycle is not an extra option but a separate cycle that must only be used without laundry in the tub. Crease care adds a series of tumbles to the end of the cycle to reduce creasing resulting from the high-speed spin. To use the machine, open the door. Load laundry in loose heaps, making sure to empty any pockets and zip any zippers. The tub is designed to hold dry laundry all the way to the top. Close the door. Open the detergent drawer, and add the recommended amount of detergent and optional fabric softener to the chambers. Press the power button. Select a cycle. Select any options. Push start. If you've forgotten to add an item, look for the add item indicator, which illuminates when the water temperature and level are low enough. Touching the add item button initiates a request. The door audibly unlocks and you can add an item. Close the door and push the start button to resume the cycle. The cycle ends with a short signal.